In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a diagram, specifically a flowchart in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a school assignment, organizing a project, or you simply want to present your ideas more clearly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and type docs.google.com in the search bar. Once the page loads, open a blank document so we can start fresh. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. When your document is ready, go to the top menu, click on Insert, hover over Drawing, and then select New. This will open a drawing board where you can build your entire flowchart from scratch. Next, click on the shape icon in the drawing toolbar. Choose shapes and start adding the different blocks you want to include in your flowchart. You can use rectangles for steps, diamonds for decisions, or any shape that fits your idea. Feel free to insert several shapes. The more clearly you lay out your process, the better your diagram will look. Now click on the line icon and select Arrow. Use these arrows to connect your shapes to each other, showing the flow from one step to the next. This is what transforms a group of shapes into a real flowchart. Take your time placing everything neatly and adjust the layout so your diagram looks clean and easy to follow. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure each shape has enough space around it, avoid overlapping arrows, and zoom in if you need more control over placement. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent messy layouts or confusing connections. Once you've added all your shapes and arrows, click Save and Close. After that, you should see your completed flowchart appear directly inside your Google Doc. It's also a good idea to resize the diagram or adjust text wrapping so it fits perfectly into your document layout. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks polished and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a clean, organized diagram in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be learning the same thing. Why not make someone's day easier?